Okay, get some paper out, try this, and we'll go over this. All right, this is not really really about biology rather than as much as it is a vocabulary. So there is a set of questions that I'm just going to ask you or test your understanding of these words: inference, observation, theory, hypothesis, and so on. All right, so let's just go at it. Part A. Using the image of the savanna habitat, so they give you an image here, form an observation. So the key here is an observation is just something you can say based off one of your senses, your sight, your feeling. So really just an observation. Okay, so you would say the hippo is in the water. All right, anything more than that, it would be incorrect. Okay, so there's a lot of other things you could say, but that's kind of the obvious one I see. Our hippo is in the water. Okay, if you say the hippo is bathing in the water or drinking the water, well, that's not an observation anymore. Now you're making an inference. So we're going to go on to part B with that. An inference is when you're interpreting an observation. Okay, so I see the hippo is in the water now. Why do I think it's in the water? Maybe it's maybe it's hot. So it's cooling down in the water. All right, so that's an inference. All right, oops. All right, don't use pronouns. Hippo is cooling off in the water. Now, I don't know that that's what it's doing. That's just my interpretation. I'm not there. It might just be there. It might be a cold day. I don't know. But as long as you're interpreting it, doesn't matter if it's right or wrong. Hippo is cooling off in the water. So that's an inference because you're interpreting your observation. And so that takes us to part C. How is an observation different from an inference? So again, it's just a definition, right? Inference is an interpretation of an observation. Okay, so there you go.